Yeah, so you can see them again for the third day after hatchery. These are the next stage of larvas. Today is the third day, and tomorrow being the fourth day, they will start eating. They are still enjoying their yolk. They are still enjoying their yolk. You can see them. They are now moving freely on their own. I just offed the inlet so the water will be stable for you to see it. And after now, I'm still on the outlet again, the flow through again. You can see them. They are now running to and fro. You can see them. So that is it for today on the third day of hatchery. So we still stay connected. Go now to the next clip to see the fourth day of it. Thank you. Thank you for choosing Grantskills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.